Sometimes you'll be asked complex problems that involve solving in stages. It's important to realize that math operations have a hierarchy. Some operations must be performed before others. For instance, in the following equation, the correct answer is 8, not 12. Why isn't the answer 12? Because math needs to be done in a particular order. A memory aid to help you remember the right order of operations is PEMDAS, or Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. Multiplication and division need to be performed before addition and subtraction. Let's look at some examples of PEMDAS in action. Read this problem carefully. You would probably automatically multiply 3 by $10 and know that you made $30 plus a $5 tip. And that's exactly what PEMDAS would tell you to do. Let's use an equation just to illustrate PEMDAS. There are no parentheses or exponents in this example, so we can skip Please Excuse and go straight to My Dear Aunt Sally. The M comes first, so we can multiply first and add second. Suppose you forget PEMDAS and you did A before M. You would add the 10 and 5 first, then multiply the answer times 3. You would expect to get paid $45. Then you'd wonder why you were being paid only $35. Of course, you wouldn't do that in the real world. You know you make $10 an hour, and the $5 was an extra tip.